really fun for me. This has been a change for the past several years. I was showing off what software can do for agents, but there was really nothing new, nothing really standing out as being functionally significant other than fixes. And now being with Sam, Workflow Secrets, it's fun. Every week I have something new, brand new. Is that good? Is that bad? I don't know. People might complain that there's too many new things. It's like, well, I guess that's a good problem to deal with. I don't know. But on my end of it, and I have shared with you guys this past weekend, Kathy and I were talking and stuff, and this is actually, there's two more over here, but these are my books of ideas, and there's 112 pages per book. There's 8-9 books now of just things that I have accumulated in my mind and brain dumps. And what's fun is I've been going back through these and just marking off things. Yeah, I got it done. So I started thinking, well, I really need to start a brand new book. So I've got an unopened book here that I'm going to try to summarize what's left of things and try to bring it down to one book instead of having all of these things. But what's been super neat for me, and this has been an experience for Cody as well, but his mandate of saying, build your dream CRM, what would you make it do? And I'm making it do it. There's still things left. There's still a lot of things left, but seeing this go from ground up, it's been less than a year since I came on full time to do this. And the significant changes that have transpired from then has just been incredible. And a lot of it has to do with you guys. Thanks for your input. Thanks for, sharing with me the challenges that you have with software in general, the problems that you run into, because it's those problems that I try to find solutions for. And if I can find a solution for them, it makes it better for you. And I think with each week as we go along, you see the gradual improvement. Sometimes it's big leaps, sometimes it's not so big. But I hope that these meetings help you guys in doing what you do on a daily basis.